Kung sawa ka na sa diet and workout na wala namang nangyayari. Hi guys, I'm Coach Claude. I'm a certified online coach and a powerlifting athlete. I specialize in weightlifting for women, training women through different life stages for optimal health and performance and management and prevention of type 2 diabetes.
Iba kasi po talaga sa inyo, personal, as in yung ngayon na titignan mo yung katawan ko tapos ikaw magde-decide kung ano yung workout na mag-work for me kasi hindi naman ako knowledgeable sa ganyan. There are a lot of times dito sa pag-enroll ko na talagang ayoko talagang mag-workout, ayoko magano. Pero pag nag-chat ka na, Kel, kamusta ganyan? Sasabihin ng mami ko, saan ka pupunta? Ay, mag-workout ako kasi nangangamusta yung coach ko. But I cannot fail my coach kasi alam mo yung may nag-aabang ng result, yun. Tsaka alam ko din naman coach na nag-effort ka and it's your joy to see na nagkakaroon ng result yung mga kino-coach mo.
May type 2 diabetes ako, tsaka hypertension. Yung HbA1c ko was about 6.6, 7. Taas talaga siya. Even yung previous years, yung mga blood levels ko, cholesterol, tumaas. Liver, enzymes ko naging deranged. So, tapos nagpa-ultrasound pa ako, may fatty liver disease. So, parang nagkakapatong-patong na siya. After 3 months ng program, nagpa-test ulit ako. Naging 6 na yung HbA1c, yung liver enzymes ko nag-normalize, cholesterol ko bumaba. Ako ang doctor ko. Tuwa siya. And syempre ako din sobrang tuwa. Kasi sabi ko nagbunga yung hard work, yung dedication, yung discipline. So, happy ako dun. Pag pinush mo yung sarili mo kahit dun sa pinakamahirap na araw, after mo mag-gym, feel good ka eh. Kasi you will not always have the motivation. And importante, consistency.
You're not very strict actually with the calorie counting. Di ba, nagbibigay kayo ng other options like pwedeng portioning, ganyan. So, parang nakaka-help din talaga siya. And yung program niyo, coach, like yung workouts niyo, na-enjoy ko talaga with before kasi syempre ako lang yung naggagawa ng workout ko. So, after work, pagod ka nang nag-isip sa work and then iisipin mo pa kung ano i-workout ko this time. Parang ganon. So, it helps na meron ng program. And also, yung coaching nyo is talagang nakaka-encourage ng people and even yung challenge. Actually, it's a good thing na nag-join ako sa challenge kasi sobrang naging more consistent ako sa workouts. And yung talaga coach, yung words of encouragement nyo, like mga sinasend nyo sa group chat natin, ganyan, and also the recipes, even if hindi naman accessible yung ibang ingredients sa amin, it's still very helpful.
So you really have to have a proper mindset po when you're starting this journey po. Kasi ang kalaban lang po natin sa journey na to is yung sarili po natin. Kasi pag when you have proper mindset po, everything will follow. You'll create a goal para sa sarili mo. You will choose healthier options sa mga kinakain mo that would nourish your body po. And you'll also choose activities that would benefit your body in the long run po. And then, I realized po na ang fitness journey pala, when you have that proper mindset, is not about perfection po talaga. It's about the determination na gusto mo para makuha yung mga gusto mong goal sa katawan mo or for your health.
I really feel po na you care about each and every client. Kasi may na-try na po ko dati na online coach na they just give you the program sa Excel sheet tapos yun na, ikaw na bahala na mag-track ng progress mo. Sa inyo po, minsan magugulat ako mag-message kayo na, oh, kamusta ka today? Kamusta diet mo? Ganun. So, parang I feel really supported and I feel na talagang you care na may progress.
I help hundreds of women transform their bodies and build strength. Not just physically, but also mentally. Sa coaching ko, hindi lang kita basta-basta bibigyan ng program, then bahala ka na kung gagawin mo. When you work with me, you get a complete system that is designed to change your body and your mindset. And nakabase ito sa lifestyle, stress level, and specific goals mo. Give me 90 days. As long as you're willing to work with me, I will not stop until we get the result that you want. And I only take in limited number of clients at a time para mabigyan kita ng full support. And I also don't work with everyone. I only work with women who is ready to commit. And guys, if you follow my program and you don't see the result that you want, it's for free. Ganyan ako ka-confident dun sa coaching ko. Kaya kung handa ka na mag-commit, message me. Let's make this happen.